Look, I don't want to give a very long speech, but it's simply say that the Fijian Made Film Awards is actually sponsored by the Ministry of Industry and Trade. As you know, we started a few years ago by Fijian Made promotion. That is essentially to keep all the products that we make in Fiji, make it a lot more attractive, a lot more available to Fijian people, for them to also understand that when you buy Fijian Made, you're actually promoting our economy, you're promoting jobs and the creation of jobs within Fiji. Similarly, the film industry, which is very much what we call a nascent or a baby industry in Fiji. The Kula Awards actually helps you to be able to recognize that the power of filmmaking. Today in Fiji, ladies and gentlemen, 69.4% of our entire population is below the age of 40. So all of you young people, you are in the majority, old people like us are in the minority. And what that means is that we want to be able to harness your talents. A lot of you have a lot of good ideas, new ideas. You also have new challenges, new issues that you can actually highlight through filmmaking. What we want to do is encourage you to make those films, encourage you to have that social messaging that comes across, also, of course, for entertainment. And the idea is that we don't want you to just stop your talent as soon as you leave high school. We like to encourage that. Today, Fiji is one of the most attractive destinations for filmmaking. Tonight, as we speak, a major Hollywood movie is being shot in Cumming Street. They'll be shooting all night. They've, of course, hired some local actors, hired some local people who will help them, for example, with lighting, with costumes, hopefully, and also with things like makeup, etc. So there's a whole array of employment opportunities in the film industry. If anybody comes and makes a film in Fiji, any amount of money that they spend in Fiji, 47% of that we give it back to them because we want to encourage them to come and make movies in Fiji. So we hope that with the talent that will be displayed here, I understand we're seeing quite a few films tonight. Some of it has also gone for the vetting process. We want to encourage all of you who've participated. Not all of you can, of course, be winners, but the reality is all of you are winners because you've actually participated in it. In all the schools, I'd like to thank the staff, the management, the principals, the students, the teachers who have participated in this. Thank you very much, Vinakavakalevu. We want you to showcase your talent to us. We also, of course, want to be able to say to Film Fiji that once they have seen this talent also, they will be helping you, of course, to tie in with those people who may want to come and make movies in Fiji, because we know there's a lot of talent here available in Fiji. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, just as like you, I look forward to seeing all the movies. Government is providing, of course, a lot of funding to Film Fiji, to not just promote Fiji as a destination, but also to help develop your talent. I want to once again thank all of you who participated, and I wish everybody all the best. Thank you very much.